Mababa yung bola, Corpus may tanga na bukol, the bump in the shot. Is na Corpus from the 3-point line. Sa kabila, Majes Kitchen. Continue for the second quarter. Bonda, 2-pointer, Bonda! O third Kabarangay, Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament ng ating Attorney Hill Acosta Jr.
Aaron Cardio, bang, 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 3 points. Last 2 minutes.
Driving in, 2-pointers! Chen, makunat at matitibay din ang mga player. Naglalaro 14 ng Majes. Number 1, good for 2 points again. Chen, laban sa team ng Kabayugan as we go on for this quarter number 1. Yung pala napapanood ang ating last and final game. Outside jumper, it's good from downtown, 3 points! Bigyan 14 ng Majes Kitchen sa ating opening quarter. Kikabigin, binigyan bola kay Losada. Easy layup by Losada. 2 points na naman. Timeout. Daan tayo dyan mamaya. Bibili ako ng mismo, ma'am. 8 seconds on the shot clock bago tayo tumuloy sa siksikan. Fadeaway shot. Good for 2 points. 20 kay Ant Lara. Magandang hapon po dyan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 7 minutes and 3. Paklip for 3. Paklip! Bang! 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 3 points! Kay Kalasagin na Brooks Point. Good afternoon kay Paringa ay Kuya FF. 6 na minuto at 15. Nawala yung bola sa kanyang teammate pero finger rolling curve. 26. Tayo po nasa opening period. And Castro Castro jumper. Good for 2 points. Isang iwan patik to ng ating bakbakan. Okay, may tangan ng bola. Losada inside. Number 7 De La Cruz. Pupukol sa pool. Good for 2 points. We are now kulay blue. At unti-unting binababa yung bola. Corpus may tanga ng bukod. The bump in the shot. Isang tiradang kaldag sabay lapag. 2 points by Corpus for team. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inside coming 2 points. Number 20. Down to 5. Good layup. Wearing jersey number 20. Basketball count. Yes, 30. Nangunguna pa rin dito itong mga nasa team ng mga taga-Majes laban sa Kabayugan. Extra pass from Bonda. Going for the Abroso 2-pointers. 15 against 15. Lamang ng dadalawang puntos. Ito pa rin nasa tropa ng mga taga-Majes. Number 20 on flight ang Malabaruca kung gumalaw. 14 ng Majes Kitchen. Good for 2 points. Out ng bola ng numero 20 at binigay kay De La Cruz. Losada jumper for 2. Overcooked it. Put back by number 1. Good for 2 points. 2 puntos. Mga taga-Majes na laban po dito sa team na mga nasa asul ang Kabayugan Cars. Number 7 jumper no. Put back by De La Cruz. Patay na naman yung sunog from De La Cruz. 15 seconds remaining. Jewel ng Brooks Point. Extra pass Santos ng Bayan San Vicente. Pero hindi magtatapos sa dalawang import in good for tapo ng Corpus from the 3-point lane. Sa kabila, Majes Kitchen number 1. Pupukol sa pool. Good for 2. Kitchen laban sa team ng Kabayugan Cars. As we continue for the second quarter, Bonda 2-pointer, Bonda! A jumper from the paint, 2 points there for Team the Yellow Shirts. Nang iiwan din sa ere, ito sa isa sa mga bata 14 ng Majes. But good for 2 points by wearing jersey number 5 ball game. Tayo tutulak sa Barangay Siksikan for the third Inter-Barangay Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament ng ating Attorney Hill Acosta Jr. Good for 2 points on flight. Nice move. Paritong batang Bonda, Paklib, cuts and shoot from the tip. A deep shot from the 3-point territory. Bonda rescue. Bonda 2-pointers. Ayun nga, nasa 17 foul na. Paklib, downtown play. Hindi masket yung tiradang Paklib from the 3-point territory. Second serving, Bonda. Abay dahil kay Bonda, mga... Colonia, 2-pointers. Pang 19 segundo para sa ating second quarter clock. Jumper by number 20, Sublime. May taga-rescue sa ilalim. Good for 2 points by Bata. At mayroon pa tayong 6. After that first game nila, may 5 po tayong tatrabahuin pa doon sa Barangay Siksikan. Good for 2 points by Paklib. And speaking of 11 there, 14 na mga taga-Kabayugan. Takbuhan na naman tayo, one-on-one, face-to-face. Lugod! Medyo na-deflect, pero hindi yon. Baliwala yan, mga kaibigan sa Mahatos. But Colonia, biglang naagaw ng Paklib. Buenafe without hesitation for 3. Nando doon si Santos mula sa ilalim. Santos, 2-pointer! Sa ating pong third period, kuha naman ng Paklib para po sa team ng Kabayugan. Paklib on drive. Oh, kita nyo yun? Yun yung mga tinatawag natin. Ikuha on flight number 1, 2-pointers. Kaya Batang Paklib, hindi naman kumonekta from Paklib. Kay driving in, 2 points, Colonia. Yung simpleng bata. To go. Kay magandang labanan, shot clock down to 6. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Corpus is a fake and a jumper for 2 points. The silky smooth play. Isang pwede rin tawa kay Batang numero 11. Itong Corpus 14 na mga taga-Kabayugan. Reverse move, no. Put back by number 7. No problem. Gagawin ng Corpus. Sumablay lamang. Yung serving by Corpus from the 3-point lane. Easy layup. Colonia, 2-pointers. Napunang 2 points as of now, mga kaibigan. Itong nasa team ng Magis Kitchen. Laban po sa team ng mga taga-Kabayugan Cars. Pero hindi po pwedeng ganun-ganun lang. Bari parts for nothing. Rebound by Lusada. Lusada aakyat ng buko. What a finger roll. Tiradang mala Pauli. 2 puntos, mga kaibigan. Itong team ng mga taga-Kabayugan. Colonia going for Lusada. Wide open space. Lusada, 2-pointers. Habang may Magis Kitchen. A minute in 9. Score po natin 45-49. 4 na puntos yung lamang. Outside jumper. Bonda. Bang! 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 3-point! Shot clock with 8 seconds remaining time. Okay, may tangan na bola sa bandang kanan. Isip Packet. Corpus. 2-pointers. Quarter of the game. Okay, medyo natanggal yung focus ng ating referee as we go on for the last in the final quarter. Jumper for 3. Kaboom! Corpus. Bang! 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 3 points! Party list na kumakampi dito sa JL Sports NBTC Basketball Tournament qualifying round. Good for 2 points by Cuestas. Si number 18 for the Blue Shirts. Natigil si Colonia. Binakita niya sa gitna. De La Cruz. Good for 2 points. Timeout. I-score po natin 54 against 53. Tama po yan, coach. Hindi natin nililipat yung ating pong score ngayon. Good for 2 points. Number 7, 2-pointers. Paklib, isa laban sa dalawa. Paklib on flight. Paklib, 2-pointers. Ang tinatawag Honorable Consi Epitacio Gilao. 6 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Corpus driving in with the left-handed lay. Mahirap din maging jobante. Ang team ng Blue, patuhuli ng Lusada. Outside Cuestas, pinalipad yung depensa. Extra pass, wide open. 2 points by Cabigin. Team ng Magis Kitchen once again. Laban sa Blue Shirts. Ang pambato ng San Manuel Cuestas going for number 1. Cabigin again, 2-pointers. Pamamayagpag ng Magis Kitchen sa kanilang pag-bake ng cake din sa ating 14 na final quarter. De La Cruz as we continue driving in. Good for 2 points by De La Cruz. Consume itong team ng Magis Kitchen. But one go, put back by number 19. Mukhang talagang may kasabihan nga po tayo. Number 19 for the Yellow Shirts. May baseball pass. Wide open! Lusada again! 2-pointers! Okay, tayo pa rin po ay nasa 14 na final quarter with 3 minutes and 2 seconds to go. Timeout! Para po sa team ng Magis Kitchen. Kayaning mapeke yung mga defender runner. Paklib, 2 points! Hindi bumasket. Corpus number 11 driving in. Corpus on drive. We are now all at 69. Tablahan sa 55 seconds to go. Jumper for 2. No good there for team ng Mads or team ng Magis Kitchen. Reload by Cabigin. Bang! Set down to 3. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Good for 2 points. Frame. Ano pa kaya magagawa ng Kabayugan? Mukhang bigay na mga kaibigan ng Kabayugan. 5 seconds remaining. Number 7, De La Cruz. Good for 2 points.